The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is an absolute beast of a gaming PC that's about to take your passions to the next level. Imagine being able to dominate your favorite games, stream live without any lag, or tackle complex creative projects with ease. That's what this machine can deliver. With its powerful Intel Core Ultra 7265F CPU, you'll get the boost you need to tackle even the most demanding tasks. This is not just a PC. It's an expandable powerhouse ready for anything. But what really sets the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i apart is its GPU, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070Ti. This thing is beyond fast, and I'm not exaggerating when I say it will make your gaming and creative experiences feel like a whole new world. Imagine experiencing lifelike virtual worlds, ultra-high FPS gaming, revolutionary new ways to create, and unprecedented workflow acceleration. Now, let's talk about the design of this incredible machine. The transparent, tool-less side panel makes upgrading and showcasing your rig a breeze, while the customizable RGB lighting adds a personal touch to every session. It's not just about looks. It's about making sure you can easily access and upgrade your components without any hassle. But what about performance? The Lenovo Legion Tower 5i delivers stutter-free gameplay, fast loading times, and seamless multitasking. With 32 gigabytes of expandable DDR5 memory, that's 5,600 megahertz, folks, you'll be able to handle even the most demanding tasks without any lag. And with its ultra-fast connectivity options like 2.5G Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, and versatile I/O ports, you'll stay connected and in control no matter what. One of the coolest things about this machine is its future-proofing. Lenovo has included 3 months of included PC GamePass and EA Play, which means you can enjoy day one blockbusters like Halo Infinite and Overwatch 2 without any additional cost. And with new games added all the time, there's always something new to play. But what really sets the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i apart is its cooling solution. With up to 180W optimized air cooling, this machine can maintain peak performance while keeping your system cool and whisper quiet. That means you can game for hours on end without any noise or heat issues. In short, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i is an absolute powerhouse of a gaming PC that's designed to grow with your ambitions. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or creative pro, this machine has got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get your hands on one today.